As your library and timeline grow, finding the perfect clip while editing can be a real pain. But guess what? There's a shortcut that can change all that. First, pay attention to which area of Final Cut Pro is active. This will tell you what to do next. Press Command 1 to activate the browser, and then use the shortcut Command F. This will open the filter window where you can create a custom search with all sorts of parameters, like your favorite ratings, markers, and even metadata like the video frame rate and size. Next, press Command 2 to activate the timeline, and use Command F again to show the timeline index. This is where you can search for video, audio, and titles, and it's a great way to navigate around the timeline. Ready for more? Check out anawesomeguide.com. We'll see you there.